We've been here 20 years, and we opened up, or definitely more fine dining back in the beginning, more of a special occasion place, and we just changed with the times. I mean, there's very few restaurants that are open 20 years, and I think we are open because we have changed with the times. My name's Stephen Weinstock. I own Stock's On Second Restaurant. We went to Chicago and just really scouted out all the newest and greatest restaurants there, and that really inspired us to go after the whiskey theme, and then the farm to fork was popular as well. So about 3 years ago, we undertook the whole renovation and changed our concept to that. We wanted to keep it a gastro pub style, which is really comfortable food, but upscale. Our idea is to get 90% of our products within a 90-mile radius. So we went out and scouted out farms, from York to Lancaster. We change our menu 3 times a year. But we constantly are doing specials. We always have a fresh catch of the day. We always have different pasta specials. We also do a smoked mozzarella stuffed meatloaf that's wrapped in bacon, which is a new item for us. We might be keeping that now on because it's such a popular dish. Our craft cocktails change a couple times a year, but I would say our old fashioned is by far the most popular. We make a homemade maple sugar that goes in it as well. When we have barrel-aged cocktails, we actually mix all the ingredients and we put it into the barrel, and it's actually aging for 6 to 8 weeks. After that point, we take it out of the barrel and put it into bottles, and we serve it to our guests. So we're actually aging that cocktail. We tasted these, and it was unbelievable after being in the barrel 6 to 8 weeks, the more flavor you get out of it. I want people to feel welcome. We have a warm, inviting environment here. We don't have anything that's intimidating. It's casual food. You come in and get a nice drink, have a great meal, and you don't spend a lot of money, and you come back again frequently.